In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate royalties on KDP. That's Kindle Direct Publishing, in this beginner-friendly tutorial. If you're an author, aspiring to self-publish, or just curious about how you get paid on KDP, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this, you'll have a clear understanding of how royalties work on Amazon's self-publishing platform, ensuring you're fully equipped to make informed decisions about your publications. First, we start with choosing your royalty plan, which is an essential step in understanding your potential earnings. On KDP, you have two options: the 35% royalty plan and the 70% royalty plan. Each plan has different conditions and rules. The 70% option is more appealing at a glance, but remember, it comes with specific requirements, such as setting your book between certain price ranges and enabling the book for lending. The 35% option, on the other hand, is much more flexible, but offers a lower percentage. It's crucial to weigh these options carefully, as they significantly affect how much you can earn per sale. Next, let's move on to subtracting printing costs, which only applies if you're publishing a physical book through KDP's print-on-demand service. This step is important because the cost to print each book is deducted from your sales, which directly impacts your profit margins. The printing cost varies based on the book's specifications, such as page count and type of ink, whether it's black and white or color. KDP provides a handy calculator that can help you estimate these costs up front. By knowing your printing cost, you can more accurately price your book and choose the correct royalty plan that best aligns with your financial goals. Now, once we've understood and adjusted for printing costs, we move on to multiplying by your selected royalty percentage of the list price. It might sound a bit technical, but it's quite simple. If you're on the 70% plan, multiply your price minus the printing cost by 0.7. If you opted for the 35% and inside the 35%, you simply multiply by 0.35 instead. This calculation will give you the raw royalty amount you earn per book, which is the crucial step for understanding your potential revenue. Finally, it's time to look at your final earnings. You might be wondering, just how much do you take home after everything's tallied up? With your royalty percentage and any applicable deductions in mind, you can see what's left as your earnings from each sale. Consider using tools provided by KDP or other royalty calculators online to double-check your math and ensure accuracy. With these steps, you're not only publishing a book, but also stepping into the business of making informed financial decisions. Knowing how to calculate your royalties empowers you to maximize your profits and achieve your publishing goals. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you on your publishing journey. Happy writing and happy earning, and